Looking for the best CleanMyMac alternatives? Whether you need a free tool or a full-featured paid app, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll compare 6 top Mac cleaners, highlight their key features, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your needs. First up, MacCleaner Pro. It is an all-in-one Mac cleaning and optimization toolkit. With MacCleaner Pro, you can free up gigabytes of space by removing junk files such as caches, logs, and large files, manage memory, and speed up slow Mac. Get pro tools like Duplicate File Finder to find and delete duplicate files, and App Cleaner and Uninstaller to fully remove unwanted apps along with all their leftovers. Best for users who want a user-friendly, professional solution to keep their Mac clean and organized long-term. Next up is OnyX. OnyX is a maintenance and optimization tool that lets you run scripts, rebuild indexes, and clear system caches. This tool has been around for years and is completely free, but it doesn't have an intuitive interface and can be confusing for beginners. Best for advanced Mac users who are comfortable tweaking system-level settings and don't mind a learning curve. Now let's talk about DaisyDisk. If you're more of a visual thinker, check out DaisyDisk. This app doesn't clean your Mac automatically, but it gives you an interactive visual map of your disk. You can easily see what's taking up space and manually delete large files you don't need. Best for people who want a visual overview of storage and prefer manual control over what gets deleted. Another option is Avast Cleanup. It's part of Avast's suite of security products. It cleans junk files, browser caches, and leftover apps. The app offers automatic junk file removal, photo cleaning and duplicate detection, battery and performance optimization. But since it's tied into the Avast ecosystem, it often comes bundled with other services, which may be more than some users want. Best for users who already trust and use Avast products and want cleaning bundled with their existing security tools. Next is iBoysoft DiskGeeker for Mac. It's mainly designed for disk management and storage optimization. You can mount, unmount, and encrypt disks, and it also includes cleaning features. Best for users who frequently handle external drives and want both cleaning and disk management in one tool. And finally, we have Sensei. Sensei is more than just a cleaner. It's also a Mac performance monitor. It shows detailed analytics about your battery health, CPU, and GPU performance. And it includes tools for uninstalling apps and clearing junk. Best for tech-savvy users who want deep insights into their Mac's performance alongside cleaning features. So, to recap, MacCleaner Pro, all-in-one, user-friendly, complete toolkit. OnyX, free, powerful, but technical. DaisyDisk, perfect for visual storage management. Avast Cleanup, good if you're already in the Avast ecosystem. iBoysoft DiskGeeker, ideal for users needing disk utilities. Sensei, great for performance monitoring and advanced insights. No matter which app you choose, the key is keeping your Mac clutter-free and running smoothly. If you want an all-in-one, easy-to-use solution, MacCleaner Pro is a solid option.